Oh yeah, poolside combo about your summer last night. They give you no plate. Could I make a shot last night?
Could I make a shot on the last night? Could we make it in? Do we have time?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Damari McKenna. I'm back here with another video. For today's video, I will be doing a review of a headband wig. So this is my first ever handbag wig, and this is by VIVIBABI wig. It's a seller on Amazon. So we finna just get right into the video. Link the all the details in the description. But I got 22 inches. I'm gonna take it out. What also comes in the box is, and then one headband. But I already purchased headbands prior to the video because I just wanted to make sure I had a variety of headbands to choose from. So this is the very soft. And it has like a Velcro strap, so you can easily strap it on however tight you need your headband width to be. And it also has combs, one comb on each side. So it has 4 combs for your whole perimeter of your hair. So I'm about to prep my hair and get it all together. Okay, y'all. I look a mess. Girl, you look a mess.
Come on.
Okay, y'all, so don't worry, I'm gonna fix the curly hairs, baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna fix it once I get to the other side and finish that, because I was just getting tired of being on the same side, and I just, you know, decided to move over and then go back to it.
We laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill and no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint on.
I'm still trying to figure this out. Yeah. Take a while to these baby hairs. I don't want them to be too late. These don't look looking crazy. So, I'm gonna put, and you definitely gonna see this part. I'm gonna So basically, put my cap back on. Like that. Cute. Y'all, when I first put this wig on, I was so scared because I didn't know how it was gonna look or turn out. Because when I first put it on, it looks kind of like very shiny in person, and I was just like, oh my goodness, how am I gonna make this look like my hair? But it actually turned out really well, so I would highly recommend this wig. I was struggling real bad to get them combs in my hair because it was just hurting. Like, I had to find a way to like put the combs in without it like pulling my hair or whatever. Make it comfortable. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. This is without it being wet. So I'm about to wet it. Show y'all how it's gonna look. Okay, so this what it looks like with one side wet. And this is what the other side is not wet. So I'm gonna start the other side, I'm gonna wet it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
3 and 3 is 6. And this also came with a headband, like I mentioned before. And I bought some of these headbands too. They were on clearance, and they came 2 came in a pack, so these came together, and these 2 came together. Ooh, this is cute actually. Ooh, I love it. Yeah, so this is the headband they gave me. I think I want to wear it. Like, it's so cute to me. So I would definitely say this hair, I want to keep it the wet look. I want to do the wet look. So I'm going to be putting some mousse in my hair my hair, because it looks like it's mine, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to be putting mousse in my hair so we can keep the wet look, because I love how it looks when it's wet. I mean, it's cute when it's, I think when it's wet it looks more natural. I'll like keep you guys updated on this hair, on like how it looks when it dries and that sort of thing. But I do recommend this wig as of right now. I haven't had any shedding. Yeah, I haven't had any tangling but yet, right? But usually with curly hair, regardless of whatever, you're going to get some tangling, just like you get tangling with your own curly hair, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm going to be putting this headband back on because it's so cute. Or, you know, I'm going to show you guys one more headband. This time it's going to be the one I got, one of those ones I got from TJ Maxx. So I'm going to do like,
yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial or review unboxing video of this hair. Again, this hair was VIVIBABI human hair, and I got it in 22 inches, and I'm gonna put it in the description below. This headband wig is water wave human hair, 180% density, 22 inches, and it came up to, I think it was 101. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also look into this brand for wig. I saw a lot of good reviews on it, so that's why I purchased it. So I'll like keep you guys updated on this type of hair and see if the upkeep of it, because sometimes like hair can trick you. Like when you first get it, everything's going good and dandy, but then after time passes, sometimes it gets kind of like, you know, all right now. So I'll definitely keep y'all updated on that, and I hope everybody have a good weekend, have a good week, or whatever y'all see this video. I just hope y'all, you know what I'm saying, get through whatever you get going through, and yeah, and be productive and stop procrastinating. I'm not talking to just y'all, I'm talking to myself as well, because I am a procrastinator and I will push stuff, push it. So learn from my mistakes, you know what I'm saying? All right, anyway, peace. Damari McKenna out.